My position is the senior staff engineer here. So I run the engineering department, or the engineering section for the landfill. Leachate is garbage water. That's all the liquids that are caught up in the decomposition process, or just from, rotting food scraps and things like that. Kind of all filters its way down through the landfill and towards the bottom, and then it has to go somewhere. And that's a problem because that is pretty contaminated. It's obviously something you don't want people to come in contact with. It can create lots of health problems. So just from a environmental standpoint, it could be bad for the animals, bad for people, and it's something that people don't think about, but it needs to be dealt with. The NULT system was kind of created back in the 70s, and the concept was just to have it sent to the pond system, and then through the settling ponds, the different plant life species, and the aeration between those three different concepts, trying to naturally help get rid of those pollutants in the water. We are always trying to actively do something good for the environment. That's one of our goals, is to find better ways to do things. So it came about as a kind of a new concept on how to use nature to help with the problem of leachate. It affects the wildlife in a couple different ways. One, obviously, is the system of ponds creates habitat for wildlife. We talked about in this pond behind us, we get multiple, populations of turtles out there, ducks, Canadian geese, muskrats. All those kind of animals simply use it as a place to live. But it's also, kind of a way to clean up the water that otherwise would be just, polluting their environments. It goes through this pond system, returns to the environment in a much, cleaner form, which is good for the plant and animal life as well. Garbage disposal is a key element of life. I mean, it's something that every society needs, and no society actually likes to think about. Garbage just doesn't magically disappear, and the kind of the pollution that's associated with it just doesn't go away. So it helps the citizens because it takes care of the problem of leachate in a natural way, and it makes it so they don't have to worry about it.